How to fix potential Windows Update database error detected on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would allow you to fix potential Windows Update database error detected on Windows 10. 1. Run System File Checker Tool, sfc/scano, as admin. 2. Run DISM tool as admin, dism.exe /online/cleanup image /scan health dism.exe /online/cleanup image /restore health 3. Reset Windows Update components. 4. Perform a clean boot. 5. Reset the computer.